Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enable 3200 MHz RAM. Many memory modules, even those rated for 3200 MHz, often run at a slower default speed, like 2133 MHz or 2400 MHz, right out of the box. To unlock their full potential, you'll need to access your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. This involves activating a pre-configured profile, often called XMP for Intel systems or DOCK for AMD platforms, which sets the correct speed and timings for your RAM. First, you'll need to restart your computer. As it boots up, repeatedly press the designated key to enter the BIOS or UEFI setup utility. This key is typically Delete, F2, F10, or F12, but it can vary depending on your motherboard manufacturer. Check your motherboard manual or the on-screen prompts during startup if you're unsure. Getting into the BIOS is the crucial first step to making any changes to your system's hardware settings. Once you're in the BIOS, navigate through the menus to find the memory settings. This is often located under an Advanced, Overclocking, or AI Tweaker section. Look for an option labeled XMP, DOCK, AXMP, or Extreme Memory Profile. You'll typically see a drop-down menu or a list of profiles. Select the profile that specifies your RAM's rated speed, which in this case would be 3200 MHz. This profile automatically applies the correct voltage and timings. After selecting the correct XMP or DOCK profile, it's essential to save your changes before exiting the BIOS. Look for an option like Save and Exit or Exit Saving Changes. Your computer will then restart. Once it boots back into your operating system, you can verify that your RAM is running at 3200 MHz. Use a tool like Task Manager in Windows or a third-party utility like CPU-Z to confirm the new speed. Enjoy your faster memory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.